Hello, today we are going to talk about Growth Source Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Growth Source Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 2.50 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 25 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 15 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 30 month. Rate of interest will be 19% to 21% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 4 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 5% fixed after 12 months. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory in case of proprietorship concern. Female co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 3 year. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence should be owned. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Growth Source Business Loan: no financial in GST surrogate, business loan to school also. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are grain traders, advocates, jewelers, share traders, gym, liquor, real estate. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.